Alright, prop is on. Hobs is done, ready, it's fine. Okay, so magneto is both on. Both. Main fuel pump on. Off. Absolutely on and off. Choke is going to be pulled. Okay, ready. Okay.
Don't you close your door first?
Oh no, it's fine for the moment, okay. Okay, prop.
I can't hear you. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, now I can hear you nicely. Okay, that's great. Okay, so 125.6 is where we want to be, and the next one's going to be 124.5.4. Okay. Okay, so traffic city for India Bravo Mike. Cross 29 for the run up there, India Bravo Mike. Okay, it's all good. That is slipping and slipping. Yeah, good. Okay, brakes, good. Standby instrument stop set. Alright. Main fuel pump is on. Auxiliary fuel pump is off and the fuel pressure is still good. Drop to auto and climb. Seems to be anyone around, so I'm going to do this just with a bit of wind, because otherwise it gets a bit hot. Okay. Okay, so traffic Zulu uniform India Bravo Mike, lining up runway 29, departure to the east. Okay, so landing lights on, strobe lights on, taxi lights off. Okay, wind check is quartering from the right, gusty. Okay, transponder on, altitude reporting at 2000. Okay, and lights are on. Okay, ready to go? Okay, let's go. Okay, everything's good, temperatures and pressures are all fine. Through the gates. 45. 55. Rotate. Brakes. Steady knots and climbing. After takeoff, check his brakes, undercarriage is down, flaps are coming up through the gate. Okay, prop goes to climb, there's a climb, and the landing lights are off. Okay, clear to the left, clear ahead, and clear right. Okay. Central rule south to the uniform India Bravo Mike on departure from Tedderfield. Climbing now to 6,000 feet and climbing to 7,000 on 1025 and reaching for Springs, India Bravo Mike.
Traffic 106 van de uniform. Range, welkom. We are climbing from 65 to 7. We are over Delta now. So welcome van de uniform.
Uniform India Bravo Mike, we'll keep a lookout for you, sir.
Thank you, copy that. Van de uniform.
Sling 4, 1 nautical mile to the south for the OBS joint 6,800, India Bravo Mike. Descend on that side, and then we're going to do a pattern and come down on this side and then come to land. It's the way to join. Everyone knows that you're Mike, yeah, Sling 4 overhead now and descending on dead side and showing the dip downwind 403 India Bravo Mike.
And there are those glider things.
There, look, there's a heli down there. Okay, boost pump is on, landing lights are on, strobes on. Springs India Bravo Mike, turning left front wind, runway 03. Mike, left downwind, runway 03. Airspeed is good, boost pump is on, flaps fine, relative climb. Okay, and we're going to go down. Springs India Bravo Mike, turning left base, runway 03. Finals clear. Springs India Bravo Mike, late final runway 06.
Hello, confirm me on off the runway. Hello, it springs around. Does it look like it's Summers? Yeah, affirmative. We've got cars coming up to the fuel by there. Okay, perfect. No problem. I'll look for the game.
Bravo Mike, final approach, runway 03.